Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. In today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have a package from Stylevana. If you don't know what they are a Korean skincare website where you can go purchase a very wide variety of skincare at very reasonable prices. I was looking on their website before they reached out to me, but they emailed me and asked me if they could send me some products for me to review for y'all. So I'm just going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to take several weeks, 3 weeks probably, and test out these products, and then I will let you know how they work for me. I have not opened it, so I'm excited to open the products and see what we have in here. They are all bundled up. Let's get the box out of the way so I have some room on my desk. I have several Korean beauty skincare products that I use that I really enjoy. So I'm looking forward to trying out some new products. There's one brand here on my desk that I have a product of that I really like, and that's the Tree Clear Skin 8% AHA Essence. I have one of their serums. This is all sealed up. Let me open it so we can look at the packaging on the inside. Their packaging is always really nice. Normal or dry skin, mild peeling, improve dull skin, soothing the sensitive skin. AHA removes dead skin cells and makes your skin softer, smoother, and brighter. And I did not look... Well, I didn't open the box, so I wasn't really sure what was in it. But when I edit the video, I will put the prices on the screen so that you can see they're very reasonable. I usually use the Paula's Choice AHA. I love an AHA, so I'm looking forward to trying this because I know that this is a good brand. Next we have Hydrogel Eye Patch Bulgarian Rose Water. This is from the brand Hemish, and it says that they are double effect brightening and anti-wrinkle. 100% water soluble hydrogel eye patch packed with moisturizing and nutrient rich Bulgarian rose water that keeps the skin supple, hydrated, and glowing. And I love a good eye patch. There's what the inner package looks like, and it has the little spoon there so that you can get your eye patches out, and it's covered. Oh, look how pretty they are. And they smell just like rose. You see how pretty they are? Look at how pretty they are. The next product is this AHA BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner from Cos Rx. Apply a proper amount evenly, avoiding the eye area for daytime use. Follow with a sunscreen. It has the ingredients here, and they're ingredients that I've not heard of. They sound like fairly natural ingredients. That's a pretty little bottle. I've heard that this is a really good brand. Dr. Dre, if any of you follow Dr. Dre, she talks about this brand quite often, and it has a safety seal on it. It has a somewhat of a, I got it on my nose, medicinal smell to it. Love a good vitamin C, so. And then we have Derma 3 Serum, and this is from Purito, and I have heard this brand as well is really good. 3 hyaluronic acid molecular weights. Long-lasting hydration. Replenishes and firms the skin. Oh, that's really pretty. It's in a nice glass bottle. 3 hyaluronic acid molecular weights attract moisture to the skin, increasing and maintaining healthy hydration levels. The serum helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and visibly firms the skin. And it says that it is fragrance free. I will have to look too to see if these brands are cruelty free. Definitely fragrance free. Again, I got it on my nose. I noticed today when I was doing my makeup that my skin felt a little dry. So that will be nice to add some hydration back into my skin. And then we have Sun Project Shimmer Sun Essence. It says, "Thank you, Farmer." I think that is the brand name. A pink shimmering sunscreen essence that creates the radiance of skin like a clarity of spring water under the sunshine. Apply evenly over the face and neck. Reapply as needed. That's interesting. It almost sounds like a shimmer. Shimmering sunscreen. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. Let's try a little of it and see what it looks like. It does have a pink sheen or cast to it. I don't know if you can see that. It has a very nice fresh smell to it. Maybe just a little floral. And it's not leaving a white cast. It does not feel sticky. It just feels like a serum. I struggle with sunscreens. I don't like how they feel on my face, so. Well, that's cool. And then we have this black sugar perfect cleansing cream from Skin Food. It's supposed to have black sugar extract in it, and it's all shrink wrapped. All of the writing on the package is in Korean, so I will have to consult the Oracle. For those of you that don't know what the Oracle is, that's Google, and see if I can find some directions. It has a plastic cover on the top of it, and it comes off really easy. Oh, that smells really good. It does not smell sugary. It just smells very fresh and clean. So yes, I will start using that tonight when I take my makeup off. So those are all the products that sent me to try out. I will be giving these a try for the next at least 3 weeks. And then I will do a dedicated video to let you know what I thought about all of these products. Like I said, they're very, very affordable. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. Do your skincare, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need some of these Hydrogel Bulgarian rose water eye patches to wear while you're fishing. They're so pretty. I mean, you would just be so pretty in these rose-colored eye patches. It's kind of like rose-colored glasses, but not. Okay. Mama loves you, boo.